Okay, the third reason I like to talk about is calculating the integrals. Now, what are integrals? You probably see integrals for the first time or the second time rather, because the first time is here. For the second time in some grade later or in college, but they are widely applicable in every branches of engineering, natural sciences, and whatever. And let's not gonna give you more details because it is not in your textbook. Okay, now one thing in which we need to calculate integrals is finding the center of gravity of objects. Now, what is the center of gravity of an object? Let me explain it. Engineers, especially civil engineers, care about the center of gravity of the objects because they want to design structures and they want these structures to be stable. And in the stability of the structures, for instance, this is a structure. Suppose structures like buildings or fixed parts of machines like cranes. Okay. In the stability of the structures, it is essential that how many forces are applying on it and what are their magnitude. Suppose forces acting on this, applying on this, like that. What are their magnitudes and what are their directions? For instance, the force acting this way or a force acting this way at this point or this way in this direction, and on which points of the structure the forces are applied. Okay, now gravity is a force applying on objects, including these structures. But suppose, consider this part of the structure, gravity applying on it, but it's applying on every molecules of this part and acting downward. So how many molecules are there? Billions of billions. So, and calculating the effects of this many number of gravity forces is hard. There are billions of billions.